You've had such great success in Daytona, going for number 3. Everybody's talking about this. Are you sick of questions or people's chatter and talk about number 3, or are you embracing it?
I mean, it's exciting. I'd rather have the opportunity than to not. Certainly, to do something that no one else has done it would be, certainly the biggest win of my career. It's a big race. It's the biggest race we have all year, and to start the season out with a win, it brings a lot of positive things to your race team. So this is a big one. Never thought I'd have one of them, much less 3 in the last 5 years. So I'm really excited about our possibilities.
It's been an amazing run for you. You are the favorite as well to win a 3rd in a row and 4th overall. And the race starts at 2:30 Eastern time coming up on Sunday. I was reading about the history of trying to go 3 in a row. Richard Petty tried to do it in the mid-'70s. He finished 7th in that 3rd try. Cale Yarborough led 32 laps in 1985 trying to three-peat, but had engine problems there. Do you look back on the history of the guys that tried to do this and fell short, or because that's so long ago, the sport's changed so much, there's nothing really to glean from that?
It's changed so much. It's hard to – it's not even the same type of racing as what it was back then. The cars were strung out quite a bit more. There wasn't really pack racing like they have here now, where all the cars are so closely matched. So it's very, very difficult. And the reason it is difficult is because – in other sports, if your competition makes a mistake, usually you capitalize. So in our sport, competition makes a mistake, it can wipe out most of the field. So you got to make sure you're putting yourself in the right position. Sometimes you don't know where that is. You would think being at the front is the safest place to be, but it's not always the case. Most of the wrecks start around that 2nd, 3rd place position. So you just do everything you can to trust your intuition, your instincts. That's what I've done, and it's been successful for us.